Hi guys, welcome to my PK show today. Today I want to make a short videos to share reviews for the shoes of Balenciaga Triple S, the white color ways. First, you can see the packaging for these shoes. It is huge and very heavy. Let me show you. There is the Balenciaga logos of the upper. Then check the side of the box. You can see the information stickers of this. The size of the photo is 38, and the sneakers. Now we'll open the box to check the details here. See, this is the shoes and and you can see our Balenciaga white colorway shoes. It is beautiful and very clean, isn't it? Let's take this apart. Now we see the accessories first. This is the package paper. Get out of it. There is a backpack to pack your shoes carefully. There is a Balenciaga logos of this. Then there is the shoelaces replacement. It is the same of the shoes, white and color and black. The size chart. It is the details of the men's and women's. The manufacturers, there are many words, which of the Chinese, Japanese, and the English. Balenciaga. Let's show our mirrors. The Balenciaga white colorway shoes. Today we will show with you from the three parts: the upper, the lining, and the bottom. First, let me have a shot of these shoes. You can see these shoes. The upper is made of the leather and the texture. The texture is UV light, and the leather is very soft. It is smooth upper. It is smooth of the upper. Then there are three logos in these shoes. The first is you can see in this Balenciaga's logos, and the second is the Triple S logos of Triple S. There is also another logos of the size. This is photo size 38. Most unique is the patterns of these shoes here. You can see they are very clear and beautiful. You can touch it. Very tough but beautiful. Final, we'll check the bottom of these shoes together. The bottom of these shoes cut into some small pieces, and to make sure it's fixed. There is a Balenciaga logo in it, and there is the size, Europe size of this sticker. You can see it. Then let's check the lining. Wait a minute, I will take out the insole. The insole is made of cotton, soft. Take a look, you can see it, very soft. Also, there is the Balenciaga logos in it and the size, the country it made of. In the back there is also a Balenciaga's logo and the size chart in this. Okay, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.